Hey y'all, let's work on this watering can. I don't remember where I got it from. It's been in my stash for quite a while. It's really dirty and really is in need of a makeover. So we're gonna paint it. We're gonna start out painting it with chalk paint. I think I'm gonna go with the color celery, and then we might do some transfers. Some pretty roses or different flowers I've gotten transfers. So I'm gonna clean it and we'll get started on it. I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Welcome to Stony Creek, located in wild and wonderful southern West Virginia, here in the heart of Appalachia, nestled between the Allegheny and the Blue Ridge Mountains. Join us as we explore a culture rich in history and historical landmarks, cooking mid-Appalachian style, gardening, DIY projects, and back porch sitting. Okay, we're going to start out with this real pretty Waverly chalk paint, celery. It's my favorite color. And of course I love chalk paint. You can cover anything with it. I think I'm going to paint the handles a different color. And this is obviously going to take 2 coats. I think my brush is wet. Okay. There's 1 coat. We'll let it dry and we'll come back for a 2nd coat. And I think the 3 coats covered it nicely, but I want to paint the handles. I'm going to paint them an ivory color. And then I have some transfers that we're going to put on the can, and I think it'll turn out really nice. Drop a line in the comments and tell me what type of crafting, or craft projects I should say, that you've been working on lately. Everyone usually has such really good ideas. Okay, there's 1 coat on the handle. We'll get 1 on this one. I'm just using Waverly chalk paint in the color ivory. I've had better luck with the Waverly brand than I have. Okay, we'll let that dry, and it's gonna need a second coat. So we'll come back in a minute and give it a second coat. Okay, so our watering can now has 3 coats of the celery colored paint on it, and I've put 2 to 3 coats of the ivory on the handles. So I thought now, now we would do a couple transfers. I think I'm gonna put this one from IOD on this side, I believe. And let me tell you what book that come from. It came from this IOD transfer book, seed catalog. And I've used almost every single one of them. I really love it. I'll probably get another one because I've just enjoyed those transfers very much. Okay. Okay, make sure you get it exactly where you want it before you start. They come off fairly easy, especially when you have a good paint on your project. And lots of times you can see them when they release. You can see them pull away from the transfer tape. I think that's pretty. I don't think I got it centered exactly right though. I messed up there. It's not exactly in the middle of the can. But it'll have to do. I can't go back and redo it now. But I do like it. I do think it's pretty. Okay, now we're gonna put this on the other side. Maybe I can get it centered a little bit better. All right. Now we just need some flowers in it. Okay, now our chalk paint and our transfer, they need to be sealed in. So I'm going to use a surface wax, finishing wax. The wax darkens the paint just a little bit, just slightly. But you can tell that it gives it a good finish. Okay.